Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to accept a Cash App sponsor. A sponsorship is an agreement where someone pays you for promoting their product or service, often through your content. Cash App serves as a convenient platform for receiving these payments once an agreement is made. It is crucial to have all terms clearly defined beforehand, ensuring a smooth and professional transaction for both parties involved. This foundation sets you up for a successful collaboration. You will typically receive sponsorship offers through your established communication channels, like email or direct messages on social media platforms. These offers should outline the scope of work, the payment amount, and the expected delivery date. Always scrutinize unsolicited offers for any signs of urgency or vagueness, as these could indicate a less than legitimate proposal. A reputable sponsor will provide thorough information and allow time for consideration. It is essential to thoroughly verify the details of any sponsorship offer before committing. Research the potential sponsor's brand or individual profile to confirm their legitimacy and reputation. Make sure you fully comprehend all aspects of the agreement, including specific tasks, the payment schedule, and the exact amount you will receive. Confirming these details in writing protects both you and the sponsor throughout the collaboration. After finalizing your agreement, the sponsor will send the agreed-upon amount directly to your unique cash tag. You will receive a notification within the Cash App indicating an incoming payment. Open the app, carefully review the transaction details, and confirm that the amount precisely matches your agreed terms. Once verified, you can accept the funds with a simple tap, securing your payment within your Cash App balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.